So I just wanted to show how the outline works. So I've stamped in these images and colored them, and now I want to do a trace. So all I have to do to trace is I'm just going to go over to the second icon on the bottom there and touch the white part. And I'm just going to adjust this until it looks like what I want traced. That looks pretty good there now. Could be a little bit better. There we go. That looks pretty good. Now I want to get rid of all of this other stuff that I don't want here, so I just have to touch it and delete. Now I can do it this way, or I can use the eraser over on the right here and just delete it that way. Once I've got what I want, now I'm going to show how to make an outline of that, because right now, if I zoom in, you'll see it's going to cut out the little tails of the kite separately from the actual kite itself. And I don't actually want that. I want to have a little outline around there. So all I have to do is use the select, touch the screen, and drag just like you would if you were dragging a box with the mouse. And once I have what I want, oh, I don't want that. You can either do that, or it might be easier for this image if you just touch one and then touch and hold the next thing and touch and hold the next thing. It'll select it at the same time. I think that's going to work a little better. Then I'm going to go over to the outline, which is the middle icon there. And you can see it brings up a blue line. So once I'm done adjusting this how I want, it's going to get rid of that red line, and the only thing left will be the blue line. So that, I think, is what I would want cut. And I'll just do that, and now you can see it switched the red line. It switched the blue line out for a red line as soon as I committed with by clicking the check mark. And I can do the other one as well. I just have to go back over to my select and then touch and hold, go over to my outline, adjust it how I want, press my check mark to commit, and there we go. Now when I cut this out, that's the red lines is what you see is what we'll cut, and I'll have two little kites cut out with a little tiny bit of an outline around them, and I can use them on my card. I hope you found that helpful.